welcome back to my channel Electrical Concepts. My name is Avikan Roy. So in this video lecture, we will discuss why inductor current lags AC voltage. So here I will give both mathematical explanation and theoretical explanation. Okay. So let's start with the mathematical explanation. So suppose this is the circuit. So this is the sinusoidal AC voltage V equals to Vm sin omega t, that is applied across an inductor L. Okay, so this is the inductor current. So now if you try to derive the equations, then as we all know, V equals to minus L dIL dt. So that is based on the Faraday's law and also Lenge's law. So if you integrate and then try to derive the expression of current through inductor, you will get IL equals to Im sin omega t minus 90 degree. So from that expression you can easily say that the inductor current is lagging the AC voltage. Why? Because V equals to Vm sin omega t, but here in the current expression it is omega t minus 90 degree, hence the current is lagging the voltage. Okay, so that is the mathematical explanation. Now let's see what is the theoretical explanation behind this. So as you can see here, what I have written is, according to Lenge's law, the induced EMF opposes any change in current. Okay, so as you all know, the Lenge's law tells the product will oppose its very cause. Okay, so here what is the product? The product is the induced EMF. So as you all know, whenever current flows through an inductor, a self-induced EMF is generated around itself. Okay, so that EMF that is induced around the inductor, that is the product, and that will oppose its very cause. And what is the cause? The cause is change in current. Okay, and also there is a term, see here I have written the electrical inertia. You must have studied the inertia in physics. So similarly in electrical engineering, there is a concept of electrical inertia for energy storing elements like inductor and capacitor. So this property is also called electrical inertia. That means this property of self-induced EMF, which actually opposes the change in current, that is also called the electrical inertia property, and that actually doesn't allow a sudden change in current through inductor. Okay, so what is happening, that whenever you try to change the current through inductor, what happens, based on dIL dt, a self-induced EMF is generated around the inductor, and that self-induced EMF will oppose the change in the current. The current is facing one kind of obstruction by that self-induced EMF, right? That means that current is somehow lagging behind the voltage. Okay, as because it is facing one kind of obstruction, it lags behind or it slows down. That is why we say the inductor current lags the AC voltage. Okay, so as you can see in this waveform that the current is lagging by an angle of 90 degree with respect to the voltage. Okay, so there is a 90 degree shift to the right hand side. That means current is lagging. Okay, so I hope now the concept is clear to you. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and please like, share, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.